this road of mine, this road that I call home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? No, am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
It can turn. That is our ulam for today. Masarap na pansit ni Reggie. Anong ginagawa mo dyan, Kelly? Kelly girl? Tumatawag? Bakit? Sabi diyan ka lang. Kain lang ng mga ibon yung ano mo, Choco, oh. Si Dede mo. Itong biscuit mo, oh. Kinakain ng mga ibon. Nabusog ka na? Bakit? Ayaw mo kainin yan. Ha? Bait ng dog na ito. Yan. So, yan. Maglaba tayo, guys. Maglaba. Yan. Full pack ang aming sampayan. So, yeah. Glad cause we have water na. Ito, nilaban natin. So, ito, gugupitan pa namin ito ni Reggie. Kasi mataas na. Yes, sunny day, sunny morning. Ayan, nakahilera dyan yung aking mga damit. So, yun si Choco. Diyan siya nagtatambay. Yeah, let's go. Inayos namin ni Reggie yung grave ng cat ko. Yan, nilagay namin siya ng mga bato-bato. Para nice. Para nice. Ayan. Tamang sarap pala itong biscuit na to. Sabi ni Bido, ba't dito ako kumakain? Pues, kakainin ko siya ngayon. So, meron tayong magandang topic for today. I'll be right back. Wait a minute. Okay, so, I'm back. Nandito tayo sa ating, sa aking music room, music room, talagang music room ito, at ito na rin ang aking room, diba? Music room, and ito na rin ang aking room. Yes, teka, basa-basa ang ating buhok. So yan, so far yan ang ating ganap for today. Naglaba ako, and then inayos natin yung grave ng cat ko. Nilagyan namin ng mga white na mga bato. Inom muna tayo ng tea, guys. Red na baso, and then tea. And then I got the biscuit. Actually, I already ate breakfast early this morning. Because I wake up very early every day. I woke up very early every day. So, 4 a.m., ganyan. 4:30, pinakamatagal na yung 5 a.m. na pinakatanghali ko na nagising. But mostly, 4 a.m. gising na ako in the morning. But, this morning, nagising ako ng 3:15 in the morning. So, since then, nahiga lang ako, naggagamit lang ako ng cellphone, and then nagnap ng kaunti, siguro mga 45 minutes until nag 5 a.m. na ng umaga, tapos doon na ako bumangon. So, I will tell you a story, guys. I had a dream last night. So, basta yung nagising ako ng 3:15 in the morning ngayon, nagising ako. So, in my dreams, parang namamasyal ako together with a friend. I don't know if it's a friend or a relative. So, we're just walking. Parang nasa somewhere different country kami, and then we are walking. And then, just like when I get home, I saw the cage, the big cage. Yung kung saan nakalagay si Chico dati, we got a big cage there on the side. So, which is, nandun si Chico, nandun si Peanut, the golden retriever. All of them are gone, guys. So, last year, nawala si Chico. And then, si Peanut, the same year sila, 2024. And then, 2025, it's my gaga, February. So, yun. In my dreams, guys, did you know that? Would you believe in sinasabi nilang visitation from your pet? So, ilang months nang wala yung cat ko? 9 months na. Yan, nawala na siya. February siya nawala eh. So, binibisita pala tayo ng mga friends natin when they are gone. So, in short, nagising ako ng 3:15 in the morning today. Doon sa dream ko, dumating daw kami dito sa bahay and then I saw the cage daw na open. And then sabi ko, gaga. Sabi ko, saan ka? Sabi ko, doon naka-open daw. So I'm expecting na nakalabas yung cat ko somewhere. Baka naglakad, ganun. So doon sa dream ko, nag-aalala pa din ako for her na, ay, nakawala si Gaga. Saan kaya siya? Gaga. Tapos, did you know that when naglalakad daw ako dyan sa side, nakita ko siya together with the other cats, neighboring cats there. We have a lot of neighboring cats kasi itong neighbors namin ang daming cat. Sa Maria Joseph, maybe 20s or 15 or 20s. So, si Memeng ang kasama niya. Si Moneng, yung gray cat, na old cat na rin yun. Which is, nung bata pa yun, very small, very tiny pa lang siya. And then, he keeps on coming back in this house. So, what I did, binubuhat ko siya dati, ibinabalik ko siya kasi the cat is not mine. It's my neighbor's cat. So, maybe my neighbors will be wondering why yung cat nila ay nawala or nasa amin. So, that is bad, diba? So, siya talaga ang pupunta dito, nagpapaalaga. So, yun, nakita ko doon sa dream ko, naglalakad si Morning and then the other neighboring cats there. Tapos, ang pinakadulo nun, si Gaga, yung cat ko. So, doon sa dream ko, nakita ko na white siya. Siya talaga yon. But, in my dreams, what I saw is yung kung ano siya nung namatay siya. Kasi nung namatay siya nung last February, guys, she lose weight a lot. So, yung hair din niya, medyo manipis na rin. Kasi may Gaga is a Himalayan cat kasi siya. Ragdoll Himalayan cat. So, expect natin the Ragdoll and Himalayan cat is fluffy. Hindi ba? Makapal yung hair niya. So, kung ano yung nakita ko dun sa dream ko, the same as the last time that I saw my Gaga alive dito sa bahay. So, yun. So, nung sinabi ko daw, alika na Gaga ko, alika na. Sabi ko ganun. Tapos, kinarga ko na daw siya. Inuwi ko na daw siya. So, that means maybe in my dreams, parang ipinapaalam niya na she's okay na. But, she is also visiting me kasi she was with the neighbor's cat. So, ibig sabihin, nandito lang siya. So, maybe, ang gusto niyang message na sabihin sa akin is, don't worry because I'm watching you. Di ba? Because even if I'm in the Rainbow Bridge, I'm gone in the earth, di ba? I'm still watching you. So, kasi di ba, syempre, pag namamatay mga pets natin, guys, meron silang power na bibisit nila tayo. They can visit us. That is true, guys. Because even my friend, I have a friend in si Josephine Castillo. She is also a YouTuber. My friend. Nawala yung dalawang ay isang dog niya na mahal niya. Tapos even ngayon daw, there was a time na parang na-feel pa rin niya yung dog niya na nandun sa bahay nila. Yung spirit ng dog niya parang nandun. No? So yun ang naano ko. Yun ang naano ko sa Gaga ko. Even if my cat didn't hindi siya dito namatay sa bahay because on that day that she passed away, I bring her to the vet. So, sa casa sa Miss vet siya namatay. Kasi syempre ayoko naman tingnan yung cat ko na nangihina siya. She was very, very weak. And then, I just look on her without doing nothing, hindi ba? So, what I did is I bring her to the vet emergency so that the doctor will check kung okay ba siya. And then, when the doctor told me na the laboratory yung blood test niya hindi okay because tinatry nilang kuhanan ng blood sample yung cat ko, hindi sila makakuha ng blood, means the blood is not flowing properly na, hindi na nagpo-flow ng natural. So nakakuha lang si Doc Casasamis ng small, and then the doctor told me, ma'am, sabi niya, the result is not good, sabi niya, kasi hindi na kami makakuha hindi na regular ang flow ng blood ng cat mo, which is, sorry to say, sabi niya, pero hindi na to abot ng 24 hours. So, she is tagilid, parang ganon. On that day, I know that I will be losing my Gaga. So, yun guys, at least, alam natin na my cat is still here, visiting me, and I believe on that. This is the third time that she visited me since she was gone last February. Yung first, nakakatuwa din yung first. Kasi, natutulog ako, I was sleeping, and then I woke up so sudden, 2 a.m. And then, the music on my phone turns off. Turns off suddenly without, I haven't touched it kasi natutulog ako eh. Then, so, syempre, nagising ka without the music. And then, when I open, and when I check my phone, kasi yung phone ko nandyan lang, na-post siya, and then I saw my gaga's face. Because my cat's face was on my phone, all of my phones. Nandun yung mukha niya. So, nagulat ako. Oh, sabi ko, siguro yung spirit ng cat ko, pinost siguro niya yung music, and then nagparamdam siya. That is the first. And then the second is, she shown up again on my dream because yung gabing yun, sabi ko, Gaga, magparamdam ka. I wanted to know if you're okay in Rainbow Bridge, if you're okay in heaven. Heaven, Rainbow Bridge kasi ang tawag nila sa mga heaven ng animals. Di ba sa atin heaven? Sa mga animals, they call it Rainbow Bridge. So, nandoon daw sila lahat. So, yun. Sabi ko, magparamdam ka sa akin if you are okay. Yung gabing yun, guys. Did you know, on that night, na naginip ako, and then in my dreams, nasabi ko na yun dito sa vlog ko eh. In my dreams, I was talking to my pamangkin, B-Boy Edison. And then sabi ko, B-Boy, alika dito, pinahiram ka ako ni Kuya Alvin si Tuna, yung white cat niya ba? Kasi may brother ako, meron siyang white cat. Alika ka ako, pinahiram ni Kuya Alvin dito si Tuna. So, hawak-hawak kong ganyan yung cat. Alam nyo guys, yung cat hindi si Tuna. Hindi si Tuna, basta I was holding a white cat, pero iba yung hair. So, in my dreams, na-notice ko na that is not Tuna. That is not my brother's cat. So, siyempre, dire-diretso yung paraginip ko, hinahawakan ko doon si Tuna. So, sudden, habang hinahawakan ko yung cat na yon, dumaan dito yung cat ko, yung dead cat ko, yung deceased cat ko na si Gaga, dumaan. So, nakita ko yung attention ko, napunta sa kanya. So, pumunas-punas siya dito sa dito sa kamay ko. Nag-bump siya ba? Nag-bump. Pumunas-punas. Diba ganun yung mga cat pumunas-punasan? Oy, Gaga ko. Sabi ko, ikaw ba yan? Sabi ko, in my dreams. But I know in my dreams that she was dead already. Dun sa dreams ko, na nakita ko siya, I know she was dead. Na I know in my dreams na nagpakita talaga siya. Kasi lumitaw siya sa side ko eh, while I'm holding a white cat. So maybe, ang message niya, maybe she wanted me to have another cat. But I told her that I can no longer look after on another cat kasi syempre may edad na ako guys, I'm 55 at ayaw na ng mga kapatid ko na mag-alaga pa ako ng cat. Kasi pag nag-aalaga kasi ako ng animals guys, okay lang dogs, okay lang cats, pero hindi, iba kasi ako pag nagmahal ako ng pets. Yung binibaby ko, I treat a cat just like my own baby. Even a dog as well. Kaya lang yung dog kasi guys, madali lang silang alagaan, di ba? Yung dogs kasi nandyan lang, palakad-lakad, pakainin, mapainuman. Ang cat kasi different. So you need to treat them napakaganda. They are just like a queen or a king in the house, di ba? So talagang pagsisilbihan natin sila. So that is the reason why my brothers and sisters doesn't want me to alaga another pet kasi siyempre 55 na ako, i-enjoy ko na lang daw yung life ko. 'Di ba? Kasi I'm 55, dapat mag-travel daw ako, mamasyal, makapagkaibigan, magkape-kape ka diyan, sabi ng kapatid ko. 'Di ba? Kasi konti na lang yung time natin, we're getting old, 'di ba? I'm in 50s na. So yun. So I'm so happy guys because my cat visited me tonight. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung November 12 tayo ngayon, hindi ba? November 12 tayo ngayon, 2025. So she visited me. This is the third time. So iba naman tayong topic. Yay! So let me continue my topic. Nag-post lang ako sandali kasi uminom ako ng tea. So, continuation ito sa aking vlog guys. I would like to thank anyone here on YouTube, to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, sa mga supporters natin dyan. Did you know that guys, I'm so happy, I'm so blessed, because every time I go live, I posted on my YouTube and then nilalagay ko yung details that Great Pinay will be going live at ganitong oras. Did you know that when I go on live stream, a lot of people are watching my live stream? Just today lang. Guro 2 hours ago, I go live. Actually, I go live in the morning when I wake up in the morning at 5 a.m. Usually 5 a.m. I turn on my camera and then nagla-live tayo. I play music, mga jazzy music, Christmas music. Kasi para ma-enjoy yung mga people. Even if iniiwan natin yung camera dito kasi sometimes my phone is low bat so I need to charge it. So I left it here. Or sometimes I bring it doon sa labas kasi maganda yung view namin doon sa taas, 'di ba? Nakikita nila yung nice view dito kung saan kami nakatira, 'di ba? So isinishare ko talaga 'yon. But nagugulat ako because every time na I go live, guys, just like 2 hours ago, I saw 149 people watching on my live. So oh my God, I'm very, very blessed. So thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, yung mga napadaan lang dyan, and then I scroll, oh, Brit Pinay, sino tong Brit Pinay, and then they are watching me talking, or playing a music, or do the karaoke thing. So, thank you guys. I appreciate all your support. Kasi, you know, kahit na, I'm only a small channel, guys. I'm only a small channel. Kahit na small pa lang tayo, syempre, nagkikreate tayo ng mga video. Even if hindi nila masyado napapanood yung video natin as long as nakikita tayo ni YouTube, hindi ba? Or may nanonood din, hindi naman tayo nasisiro, hindi ba? So, I'm happy with that, hindi ba? Pero syempre, mas gusto natin yung a lot of people will have time to watch our videos. Kaya, nag-iisip tayo kung ano maganda nating content, hindi ba? Yeah. So, slowly, I'm learning. So, pinag-aaralan natin ano magandang content, ano kaya magandang gawin niya. So, I just wanna thank all the people who is watching my live stream, including my video, short and long video. So, di ba, napaka ano, sinong mag-aakala, di ba, na makikita tayo sa YouTube? You know the story, di ba? My sister is the one who convinced me to join the YouTube. So, I'm happy. I'm so happy in YouTube. So far, dumadami yung mga nagbe-views sa atin. Because, just last month, did you know that since I started the YouTube, I reached 500,000 views sa aking YouTube since I started the vlogging. So, syempre, small time pa lang tayo hindi naman katulad ng mga ibang people na yung sa isang video lang nila millions kaagad, hindi ba? So, I am a pangkaraniwang people. So, I was happy. Imagine mo naman, since I started, I reach 500,000 people view my video. Siyempre matutuwa ka na noon, di ba? Sino ba si Brit Pinay, di ba? Isa lang akong pangkaraniwang people, guys. Isa akong dating singer. At the same time singer pa rin naman ako ngayon, kaya lang online na lang tayo. So I do my live stream here on YouTube, di ba? So online singer na lang tayo, dito na lang tayo kumakanta. So, I am very, very thankful to all the people. Salamat, especially to all the people who supported me, tumulong sa akin dito, and then, nag-subscribe. Kanina lang, did you know that last night, ang subscribers ko ay 1,006 lang? Nadagdagan ngayon ng 20. So, thank you guys. I love you. Kasi nanood sila kanina ng live ko. So, nakita ko 33 people are watching on my live. And then, all of them subscribe on my channel. So, thank you guys. I love you. Thank you for the support, diba? So, pag-iigihin natin ang ating YouTube even if you don't understand what I'm saying because maybe a lot of them are not Filipino. So, they are foreigners. So, I hope they will understand what I'm saying kasi may translation itong aking channel. So, kahit na anong language. So, I love you guys. See you on my next vlog. Meron akong bagong intro. Ako lang mag-isa nag-aral noon, di ba? Hindi ako high-tech, guys, pero pinag-aralan ko paano kaya magawa ng intro. So I'm proud of myself being a YouTuber. Thank you, YouTube. So see you on my next vlog.